Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your earbuds Huawei FreeBuds SE free on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Huawei AI Life. Now search. And you should install this application. Choose your region, but I'm not recommended to choose United States because sometimes it has some trouble. So I'm going with United Kingdom, and after you choose your region, click Next. Next, agree. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!